Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a full factory restore reset on any Nintendo Switch device. Now, this particular model is a newer one, but it'll work with the Lite or any model that you have. It's an OLED or whatever model. So I'm going to first show you how to do it directly from the settings home screen. And then for whatever reason, if you can't get into the home screen, I'm going to show you how to do it with the device completely powered down. Now, keep in mind this is a full factory restore reset, so it's going to make it to where you lost everything. It's just like it's out of the box, like you just purchased it. Now, at the very end of this video, I can link you up. If you just click on the video, I can link you up to where you can do a full reset, but without losing your game saved. So, let's go ahead and do this now directly from the home screen. So what we're going to do is click Home, and then click on the Settings button right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to System, right down here, and then what I want to do is I'm going to go all the way down to where it says Formatting Options, and then what I want to do is go all the way down to where it says Initialize Console, and then that will take you to the next step to do a full factory restore reset. Now let me show you how to do it directly from when it's completely shut down. So to do that, make sure that your Nintendo Switch is powered completely down. And of course, to do that, you just hold down the power button for 3 seconds and then power off. Now what you're going to do is go into maintenance mode. And to do that, you're going to hold down the volume up and down key at the same time, the button here, while hitting the power button. So what I would suggest you do is just hold down the center of the volume up and down button and just hold the center for 3 seconds, and then hit the power button at the same time, and don't let go. Keep holding till you get to maintenance mode. Okay, so it's going to take you to this maintenance mode screen. Now it's going to give you the option to initialize console without deleting your saved data. So I told you this earlier. If you choose this one in the center, you'll keep your saved games. But now if you clicked on Initiate Console right here, Initiate Console, then that is going to do a full factory restore reset. Remember, it's going to wipe everything out and put it back to like it was when you bought it brand new.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got, what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think, my subscription doesn't help. Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.